This video covers prepositions of place, focusing on across and through. Prepositions of place tell us where something is or the direction it moves in relation to another object. Prepositions of place are words that show the location or position of something or someone. For example, when we say the cat is across the street or the car goes through the tunnel, we use prepositions to explain where or how something moves. The word across means from one side to the other side of a surface or line. For example, you can walk across the street, swim across the river, or drive across the bridge. Across often shows movement over a flat area or surface. Through means moving from one side to the other side of a space, area, or object. For example, you can drive through a tunnel, walk through a forest, or fly through the clouds. Through usually implies moving inside something and coming out the other side. Here are some examples using across. The shop is across the street. She swam across the lake, walk across the park. The bird flew across the sky. These show movement over surfaces or open spaces. Here are examples using through: drive through the tunnel, walk through the forest, swim through the river, look through the window. These examples show movement passing inside or between objects or places. Through shows movement from one side or end to the other side or end. It describes motion across an area completely. For example, he walked through the door from start to finish. It suggests going inside something and coming out the other side. Across and through both show movement from one side to another, but in different ways. Across is used for movement on a surface like across the street or across the river. Through is used for movement inside or between something like through the tunnel or through the forest.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.